Hi, my name is Nick Homan. I'm the Vice President of Waveband Communications. Today we're going to discuss the various surveillance kit options that we offer at Waveband Communications. First, I'd like to present to you our WV105023XS. And this is one of our most popular surveillance kits. Reason being is it's a quick disconnect surveillance kit. It uses a 6-pin high-rose connector. And all of our kits, we only use the highest quality components, specifically Knowles acoustics, which provide exceptional audio quality. Now the quick disconnect, you can plug into any radio model as long as you have the correct corresponding adapter. As you can see here, we have an adapter for the Motorola XTS series portable radio. And this adapter simply just goes on the side of the radio here. And allows you to quickly connect and disconnect any of our 6-pin high-rose connector two-way radio accessories. So this just simply goes on here. Now the great option with the quick disconnect options is you don't have to get undressed if you have it plugged into the radio. You can just simply pull this off, leave the adapter on the radio, and if you need to charge the radio, you can put it on like a 6-bank charger, and you don't have to get undressed when you do that. In addition to our basic 2-wire kit here, this has a palm-style PTT. It has a clip that you can clip on here onto your shirt to talk into. And of course, it comes with acoustic tube, receive-only earpiece. In addition to our popular 2-wire kit, we also offer a more discrete option. This is our WV105035X. We've sold this in the past to law enforcement professionals that require, they have to be discreet. And with this option, you can actually plug in a iPod earphone into the 3.5mm threaded jack. I think I have one here in my pocket. And it just plugs in here. That way you look like you're actually listening to an iPod when you're communicating on the radio. It has a barrel-style PTT that runs down your sleeve. It also has the ability to slide onto your shirt. And right here you have a microphone. You just put right here, and then you talk into the microphone. So this is our most discreet option out of all of our surveillance kits. It's also a 6-pin high-rose connector. And you can use it on any radio model as long as you have the correct corresponding adapter. In addition to our quick disconnect options, we have direct connect options. The advantage of the direct connect option simply is you don't have to buy an adapter for the radio. So it's a little bit more cost effective. We also have different ear options. We work with a company by the name of Comply. Comply specializes in ear tips. They sell it in boxes of 100, or you can just buy individual tips. We also have flexible open ear insert options, which provide more comfort compared to an acoustic tube. So these are the various surveillance kits that we offer at Waveband Communications. You can give our staff a call, and we can provide you recommendations for the best option for you.